Got the Eufy, see everything smart lock, 2K resolution, 0.3 second recognition, no monthly fee. Anywhere access, 2K live view, Wi-Fi remote control, smart instant notifications, activity zones, two-way audio transmission, entrance and exit log journal. This is going to be at the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. This works with Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. Looks like we got something that protects your family, protects your home. 2K pinpoint, integrate the video doorbell, has a doorbell, false alarm sensor, who comes and goes, installation on the door, sensor your finger and 0.3. This is great. Comes in the box. You get the smart lock, deadbolt, chime without SD card, smart lock interior assembly, spacer, lithium battery, interior assembly sets, strike reinforcer. You get keys, safeguard, and quick start app. This is Anchor Innovations. Okay. Your privacy is something that we value as much as you do. The Star is taking every step imaginable to ensure your daddy remains private with you, whether it's your newborn crying for mom or your victory dance after a game. Your recorded footage will be kept private. Store locally with military-grade encryption and transmitted to you and only you. That's just the start of our commitment to protect you and your family. Your data is kept safe within your home. Here we go. Here we go. So here it is. What's in the box? Comes like this. Looks like the deadbolt. Here's there's your battery and booklet, keys, deadbolt place, spacer. Here's it's gonna be my. Alright guys, gonna get installation. Check back with you later.